Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chan here and welcome to the product Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Firstly, I am cordially thanking you that you have given me the opportunity to show you the product Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic to give you the review of this product. Okay, so when it is about health, it is a very serious matter, and in this video I have tried to keep me short. My videos is not good, my mobile video is not good, that is why I kept me short, and also I have not purchased this product, and like it is not affordable for me, for a typical lower middle class family from India. Okay, so you have to give credit, or you have to give thank you for my research, and also the thing is I have gone through the whole of this product. I have gone through the websites, I have gone through so many websites, so many sellers, and I have come up with some results, like what are the scams going around it and what are the stuffs going on. Okay, so apart from that, I am giving you some bonuses with this tool, with this product, with this dietary supplement, and you can check out the bonuses from this page. You can click on the video description link, and from there you can check out the bonuses and you can get the tool. So when I want to clear you the negative thing first, cause the thing is, you have now the full attention inside the beginning of the video, and after that you will be releasing your attention or leaking your attention. So I wanna start with the scams. Okay, so the first thing is the first scam is the price scam. So what is going on, like you will be showing that there are so many platforms including Amazon. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is available there. Like you can check out that this is one kind of bottle, this is one kind of bottle, and this is one kind of bottle, this is one kind of bottle. There are so many bottles, and each and every one has different prices, and also you can check out the written stuff here, like the font style is also different. Okay, so in bonanza.com, in ebay.com, or there are so many websites there. So they are selling the product, and they are making it, but it is not good. Okay, so let me show you. Secondly, there is a price scam that somebody is asking you with their discount, 95% discount. I have mentioned here, I have written here, but it is not totally a true thing. Like, the price of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic was changed once. Firstly, when the product was launched, then it was sold as at $78.95 with including the shipping charge, and from the next they have changed their price. They have seen the success rate of their product, and they did the change inside their product. Like, for one bottle you now have to give more price, and they just don't wanna buy anyone one bottle pack. Okay, they want to buy everyone 3 bottle, cause it is the minimum dosage to get the result. Okay, that is why the 1 bottle is not a good choice, but the 3 bottle is the best choice, I think. Okay, so this is the only change. The previously it was launched, firstly, or at the very first time it was launched at $78, and now it is going on with 3 pricings, like $95 and $117 and $294 for six bottles. Literally you have to pay $49 for 6 bottle, and for 3 bottle you have to pay $59, and for 1 bottle you have to pay $98. So these two kind of pricings, like you can purchase the product from any of the other websites, and you can get trapped with discounts, but both of them are scams. Let me show you. Okay, so there are some examples that you can think of. This kind of products are arriving. The container is totally changed, the material is also totally changed. Okay, so the material of the original Okinawa is greenish and cherry flavored. Okay, so this is a price scam, and there are there is going on one kind of scam is the small container or small powder or fake product scam, which I have already showed you that this is the original container of Okinawa. This is the original container, and this is not the original. These are the fake containers and the fake supplements. Okay, and it is all about health. It is a very serious matter. That is why I am showing you. There are so many written review inside. There are given inside Amazon. Sorry, my grammar is not good, and this entire video is taken live, but the thing is my screen recorder is allows me only 3 minutes of recording, because it is not in a premium version. Okay, so you can check out some of the reviews and beware of the fake container and the fake product. Apart from that, the third scam is the fake site scam or credit card scam. Though I have not got any proof about this scam, but there is a rumor or whatever everyone is telling that the credit card details are taken from some websites, from some random websites with this product and displaying this product, and they are just vanishing your money from the credit card. So don't go or don't try any other websites also. So apart from that, let me show you, there are 2 official pages of Okinawa, and this is the first page I want to show you. It is coming, and you can also check out this official website. Okay, so this is one page, and this is one page, and this is the second page. So inside this page, this video is a longer video. Some affiliates are choosing the longer video, and this is the longer video sales page, and this is the shorter video sales page of Okinawa. Just be aware that the official website named as getokinawa.com. okay, getokinawa.com is authentic. You can purchase anywhere from getokinawa.com, or you can directly purchase from this website. Okay, and if you want to get the bonuses, that is why my name is also written here, Chayan. I am also promoting this product. If you get the product from my website, he will be given the bonuses. That is the thing. Okay, so you can also check out that the getokinawa.com is also here, so it is also my hop. Okay, so you can add to cart. That is the thing. So beware of the fake sites, or don't try Amazon or any other websites. You can check out any of them. And any of the reviews. Those products are not good apart from the original. Okay, so 31% is 1-star rating. So really works. One have written not the same, doesn't work, or don't buy it. Most of them are not saying good, I think. So apart from that, I have showed you the official page. Now let me start with the I will tell you that just get recommendation from the real user. Okay, I can remember when my mother given me the Complan in my childhood. The Complan is a supplement also that can be taken inside with the milk. Okay, it is very popular in India, and that was given by my mother after hearing from my friends, my childhood friends' mother. Okay, after hearing them, after gossiping with them, my mother had given me in my childhood. So always the real user review is always good, but I am asking you to get it from my website with bonuses. So apart from that, if I want to tell you about this product, okay, this video is getting longer, but I want to clear you everything. I want to show you all of the stuffs about this product. So firstly, the Okinawan diet is very famous. I want to recommend you some websites like the nationalgeographic.com, like the BBC website, BBC's official website. And if I want to talk about the blue zones, there are 6 blue zones, or some of them consider as 5 blue zones inside the earth. Like blue zones are that kind of zones that zones had a that zones has a that zones have a longevity of more than 100 years. Okay, so that is why Okinawan diet or the Okinawan lifestyle is also very popular, and also you can take it very serious. Okay, so if you don't want to take the Okinawa flat belly tonic, don't take it. Take just the green tea, or you can take the lifestyle of them. That is my opinion. But if you don't want to take that, if you don't want to taste the green tea, that is tasteless, or that is the thing, if you want to if you can't change your cannot change your lifestyle, then I will highly recommend you to get the Okinawa flat belly tonic. And that is the thing, this is green colored, and this is cherry flavored, and like little bit cherry flavored. After going through the official place, I came to know that this is cherry flavored. So you can also check out the BBC website. And apart from that, there are more than 60,000, and also some of the evidence I have got that 70,000 people are centurions. It is not that always Japanese people or the mainland Japan has the gene to become thin. But you can also check out the Naomi Watanabe, the Instagram ID. She is a very popular actress there, and also she has more than 9.5 million followers. It is now maybe 10, I don't know exactly. Also sumo wrestling, though sumo wrestling is a tradition that they make themselves fat. But the thing is, not all of the Japanese are thin. They has their obesity rate more 5%, and USA has obesity rate 36%. So the thing is, and also 1 billion adults are facing the same problem, the overweight problem. So if you want to change everything, I really suggest you to go through the freehand exercise, and also take this Okinawa flat belly tonic. This will make your inflammatory system good, the digestive system. It blocks the CRP protein, the fat burning protein, and it makes your fat into energy. Okay, it directly does it. Okay, so that is why I highly suggest you. But if you do not change your lifestyle, like if you do not start freehand exercise, I will tell you not to take it. Okay, I will suggest you not to take it, otherwise your money will got in vain. So that is the thing. So ingredients are totally natural, 100% natural, and it has gone so many tests. And the thing is, all of the ingredients are here, and also you will be given these bonuses. I don't want to mention them and make the video more and more longer, but the dosage is before 10 a.m. or after 10 a.m. you can take any light breakfast, and with your beverage you can take this supplement, like 1 scoop, not teaspoon, 1 scoop you can take, and total 30 servings will be presented inside 1 bottle. And I will suggest you the 3 months bottle, at least 3 months bottle. If you want to purchase a 6 bottle, then it is okay, but I will suggest you to try it with 3 months bottle. And this is the pricing, and all of our stuffs are given here. That is my opinion. And there is also a scam going on, that most of the reviews you watch on YouTube about it is not by a real user. Okay, they are also like me, they are not a real user. The real users are not the internet marketer. They will not make a dedicated video inside YouTube, and the marketers are not the real user of this product. That is the problem. Okay, marketers are promoting it inside YouTube, that is why they are making the review video. But if anyone is showing the container and opening it, then it is a real user, then he or she is a real user. Or drinking it, most strictly or most specifically, they are drinking it. If anyone is drinking it, then it is a real user, otherwise he or she is not a real user. Okay, don't believe everyone, just try to stick with this website, https://getokinawa.com. and if you wanna purchase from my website, it will be a win-win condition for you and me. Let me show you, this is also a FDA and GMP approved. That is a good thing. So let me show you how you can get the bonuses. sorry, so these are the bonuses. So firstly, I am a software marketer. I usually do software marketing. I usually promote software. This is the first time I am promoting any supplement. But the thing is, if I want to show you the Warrior Plus, inside Warrior Plus, for each and every product or any of the products, I can give a bonus URL. I can give a bonus link, okay, directly. I can paste it here. And for JVZoo, it is also a good software platform, software marketing platform, and as well as software purchasing platform. So I can add my bonus here. But the place you are purchasing the tool, but let me show you. If I click on add to cart, so it will take me to the ClickBank's page. The ClickBank is also a affiliate platform, so it doesn't allow me to paste a bonus link. Okay, that is why for this product the bonus is a little bit tricky. Okay, the way of getting the bonus is little bit tricky. Once you have purchased the product, okay, your order ID will be unique. Okay, and your order ID will be shown up to me if you have purchased it from my buttons from my website. Okay, so after purchasing the product, after purchasing Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic, you can knock me here directly to my Facebook profile, or you can mail me here. Okay, or you can do the both. What I was talking, you can do the both, that the Facebook profile messaging and also the mail, so I can reach you as fast as possible. Okay, so that is the thing, that is the only way to get the bonus, and I am doing it each and every day. You have to keep faith on me to get the bonuses. So all bonuses will be delivered, basically a link will be delivered to you. You can knock me here, you can knock me inside my Facebook page, inside my Facebook profile, or you can do it both. You can do the email, you can do the Facebook message, and the bonus link will be delivered to you. That is my promise to you. Okay, so that was my overview of this product that is totally natural, and I will suggest you to go through the free hand exercise and take it continuously. Okay, so if you are struggling with the obesity, I will highly suggest you to take it. I will suggest you to take it. Like, it is a very good option for you to start to motivate yourself that I am doing something for me, something for my body, and I should be more enthusiastic to start with my workout, to start with my free hand exercise. So that is the thing. I wanna end the video thanking you again that if you are still watching this, if you are still hearing me. So I am signing out for this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.